What's up, everybody? So if you used Google Maps and you just have GPS problems, and I know it's a GPS problem because I use Google Maps and I have GPS problems, it says no GPS detected. And when I use Waze as well, it says the same thing. So let's say, for example, I want to choose a location, and normally it will detect where I am and also how fast I'm traveling so that it can calculate how long I'll get there and so on and so forth, and also direct me based on where I currently am. But as you can see, it's not detecting that I'm moving, and the kilometers per hour is also staying still. So in order to fix this, if you're using Xiaomi, just go to your settings, and in settings go to about, go to MIUI, and it's gonna check for the latest update. There's no update because I already have the latest one updated, but we need to fix this and reinstall it. So in order to do that, you just tap on the three dots on the top right corner, and after that tap on download the latest package, and it's going to start downloading. Now let this process finish. It's going to download the installation, and after the download it's going to install it, and it's going to ask you to reboot. When that is finished, when you go into your map again, choose your location and start, you're gonna see that now
Head southeast.
it's working and you no longer have a problem. This is now counting that I'm moving, and it's no longer 0 kilometers per hour. And you can see that I'm moving now. There you go.